Do you want access to Seedance 2.0? Yes, I want Seedance 2.0 early access. To get full access, watch this full video!
Seedance 2.0 early access is available right now. Anyone can now use Seedance 2.0 without any limitations. And at the end of the video, I will also tell a strategy to use Seedance 2.0 free. His website not only give access of Seedance 2.0, it also provides almost all AI video generator models. You can also able to recent update of Kling, which is Kling 3.0, image to video, text to video, Kling 3.0 Omni. Not only these, almost all AI video models like HailuoAI, Sora, and specially Veo 3.1 etc. are available in this site. I will give the link in description and first comment. Click to my link and come to this website. But before that, watch this full video. When you will select Seedance 2 model, you will able to use reference images as optional, up to 6 images at a time to generate your video. Not only images, you can also use up to 3 reference videos at a time to make your video using Seedance model. You will just need to upload your video here to use this feature. And this model also supports up to 2 reference audios at a time. You will need to just input your prompt here and select any aspect ratio for your video you want, then select your video duration. This model supports up to 15 seconds long video at a time. Before generating our first video, let's check some ready prompts that can be used and some other user-best generated video for understand the capacity of Seedance 2.0. See how insane is Seedance 2.0 is.
Let's go.
Focus.
You can use any of this ready prompts to generate your video. Stay connected, I will show you everything in detail. How outstanding this generation was, truly insane. Here is huge collection of ready prompts. I request you to also check this. Let's see some more exclusive generation to fully understand the capacity of Seedance 2.0. We will remake this video. So from this prompt box, click on copy button and come back to Seedance 2.0 video generation page. I will put the links in description. And paste this copied prompt in this box. If you need to add anything, then type your requirement here with simple text, then fix aspect ratio, video duration you want, and finally click on Generate button and wait for few minutes. Sometimes it is taking more times than regular, because of high demand. Before check its generation, if you have any questions, you can ask me on comment. I will answer all questions one by one. I have just submitted same prompt for new generation to check how it works actually. Our video is ready, let's check it out.
In the middle of all this chaos, I suddenly felt like I could see everything clearly.
This was satisfactory generation. You can now download it to use. But let's check second generation also.
War is chaos. The only order is the one you make for yourself.
It seems like a Hollywood movie scene. I am so happy with this generations. I made another video, let's also check it out. As I showed earlier, here is huge collection and samples of Seedance 2.0 generated videos, so you can use for text or for your projects. And I will also add a link to become master in Seedance 2.0, which is the most powerful AI video generation tool right now. Also check that and become a master for free. But how to get access to Seedance 2.0? As I have a YouTube channel, I applied for early access to Seedance 2.0 as Creative Partner Program. You can also apply if you have any creator social media profile. Just write details as much as possible. They will manually review your application, and if you are eligible, they will provide you free credits to use their platform. But how general users will use and access, they will need to upgrade to Pro or Ultra plan for instant access to use Seedance 2.0 or other video models I showed you earlier. I recommend you to use Ultra plan. And this is the legit method to use Seedance 2.0 without any interruption and hesitation. No VPN, no other fake methods. Just visit to my link form description or first comment and start using Seedance 2.0 right today. And also watch this suggested video for other platform for using Seedance 2.0. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel is completely free.